In this video, I'll show you how to share a specific part of a Spotify playlist. First of all, Spotify does not have a built-in feature that lets you share only a specific section of a playlist with a single link. However, you can create a smaller playlist containing just the songs you want to share. Open Spotify on your computer and go to the playlist that contains the songs. Click the first song you want to include, then hold Shift and click the last song in the range you want to share. This will select all the songs between them. Next, right-click on the selected songs, choose Add to Playlist, and then select New Playlist. Spotify will create a separate playlist containing only those selected tracks. Once the new playlist is created, open it and click the three-dot menu. Then select Share and choose Copy Playlist Link. You can now send that link to anyone, and they'll be able to access only that specific group of songs instead of the entire original playlist. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.